I'm John McPhee. I work with TIA based at Burnie, and my main area of work is in precision agriculture, controlled traffic, soil management, and how those things all interrelate, how we can use those technologies to improve soil management in cropping. Precision agriculture is basically about managing a crop or a piece of land in response to its needs. Probably irrigation is a really good example, maybe not so much on the farm at Forsyth where we have quite uniform soil types, but more in places like the Midlands where you might have very different soil types with very different water holding capacities under the same pivot, for example. And by understanding what the impact of that soil is and water holding capacity, you can then manage irrigation to put different amounts of water on different places. That's probably one of the most well-known applications of precision ag in the Tasmanian context. One of the base technologies of precision ag is tractor guidance, and that's pretty widespread in Tasmania, well, pretty widespread pretty much nationwide now, because it offers so many benefits. So precision agriculture depends a lot on gathering information, and there's a whole lot of technologies that can be used there. Imagery, such as what we see here on the screen, is a really important part, and that can be, like in the growing crop cycle, can be gathered by satellite or drone or other aircraft or land-based vehicles, depending on what the sensors are that are being used. There's also a lot of soil data gets collected, things like EM38 mapping, which is done with land-based rigs, and also nutrient mapping, which tends to be done more on a grid type basis. You might, depending on the size of the field, you might do a point per hectare or a point per half a hectare or whatever it is. So some of those technologies are very continuous, like the aerial imaging, and some are quite point specific, like the nutrient testing. The drone's an interesting beast because it gives you a bird's eye view of what's going on. Even if you don't do any of the fancy imagery like NDVI or anything like that, you can still just get a view of your crop that you won't get by driving around in the ute. And so you can see it from above, and that can be quite educational.